Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure MySQL 8.0.41 on Windows 11 operating system. But the process is same on all Windows operating systems. So first go to mysql.com. It is the official website. Then click on downloads. Then click on MySQL community downloads. Then click on MySQL installer for Windows. See here, at the time of making this video, 8.0.41 is the latest one. If you are unable to find this version here, you can click on this archives. See here we have the older versions, so you can find that version here. Okay, go back, then select the version, then select the operating system, then we have to download. See, this is the web community edition and this is the community edition, so we have to download this one. So click on download, then click on no thanks, just start my download. See, once we clicked on download, started. And see here its size is 352 megabytes. Wait until download completes. See, download is completed. Now click on this installer MSI file to install. See, now we have to choose the setup types: server only, client, full or custom. If you select full, see we have the MySQL workbench, MySQL shell, router, etc. options are there. If you select only, we have these options. Okay. If you select server, we can install only server. So it is up to you. So I'm going with full. See, I have selected full. So it is going to install these components. If you are okay with this, so click on execute. Click on next. See, product configuration. So click on next. See here, config type we have development computer, server computer or dedicated computer. So it is up to you. So I am going with server computer. Then this is the port number, that is 3306. Click on next. See here we have the two methods: use strong password encryption for authentication or use legacy authentication method. This is the old one. It is up to you. So I'm going with strong only. Click on next. Now we have to provide the password for root account. If you want create or add user, you have to click on add user. At this moment I don't want, so click on next, and this will be the service name in the services console. And run Windows service as standard system account. Then click on next. See, this will be the location. Click on next. See, ready to apply the configuration. So click on execute. If you want to see the logs, you have to click on here. You have to click on log. See, configuration completed. Click on finish. Now we are going to configure these products. Click on next. Click on finish. Click on next. Then provide the password for the root account that we have given. Then click on check. It is success. Click on next. Click on execute for the sample. See, samples and examples. So click on execute. Click on finish. See, installation is completed. If you want to see the logs, you have to click on copy log to clipboard. And see here, if you want to start MySQL workbench, select the checkbox, or if you don't want, unselect it. Even MySQL shall also unselect it and click on finish. Okay, we have successfully installed. Now go to start, all applications, go to MySQL folder. See here we have the MySQL folder. See here we have the MySQL workbench, MySQL command line client. Okay, MySQL shell. Open MySQL command line client. Then provide the password of the root account that we have given. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL server 8.0.41. We can also verify, select version. See, we have installed MySQL Server version 8.0.41. Now we connected MySQL Server by using command line client. We can also connect by MySQL Workbench. Go to all applications again, go to MySQL folder, open MySQL Workbench. CE means Community Edition. Now click on this plus button, then give the connection name, local connection. Connection name can be anything. Then host name, give the local host or local host IP, then username, root, port number 3306, then provide the password that we have set at the time of installation. Then click on OK, then click on test connection. See, successfully made connection to MySQL. Okay, click on OK, then click on OK, then click on it. You can also verify the version here. Select version, then click on this execute button. See here, we have installed MySQL 8.0.41. See here, this is schemas tab and this is the administrations tab. And in administration, we have the user privileges, server status, etc. options are there. Okay, let me create a database from here. For that, verify the databases. Show databases. See here, we have these databases. Let us create a database. Create database bank semicolon. Now verify again. Show databases. See here, we have the new database. Even if you click on this refresh button, see here we have the database. Okay, if you want to verify the list of the users, you just give show users. This won't work, just I want to show you. Okay, but we can get the list of the users by running the command select user from mysql.user. See, these are the list of the users that comes with MySQL installation. You can also get the same list. Click on users and privileges. See here we have the users. Okay, so let us create a user. Create user James identified by provide the password. Now verify again. See, new user James is there. Even if you refresh this one, click on refresh button, close it, again open it. See here we have the user James. Okay, you can run the queries here, or here also switch to the database by using use command, use keyword, show data, select database. See, we are in bank database. Verify list of tables, show tables. Don't have any tables. If you want to create tables. Create table customer cnum int primary key cname varchar 50 not null, put semicolon. Now verify show tables. If you want to insert some data, use the insert statement. Okay, the last option that I am going to show you is, even if you want to see here expand table, see table is there. Now we will see the go to Windows Run services .msc, press M. See here we have the MySQL 18. So if you want to stop, right click on stop, or select it and click on stop, or you can click on this button. All three are same. If you want to restart, right click on restart, or click on restart, or click on restart. Click on this link. Okay, click on this link or click on this button. So if you stop, we will be able to not to connect to this one. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install and configure MySQL 8.0.41 on Windows 11 operating system. For more MySQL tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.